In this video, we'll provide an overview of what 311 is, discuss recent events, outline the actions we've taken, and review what's next. 311 is much more than a call center. It's a centralized front door for every non-emergency call or issue for the services we provide at the city. It's a combination of people, processes, and technology, serving as our one call for City Hall. When 311 was introduced 23 years ago, Chattanooga was among the first mid-sized cities to offer this type of service. At that time, 90% of households still had landline phones. The city launched the 311 mobile app in 2016 in recognition of greater mobile adoption. Today, we are optimizing on a mobile-first design that will make it easier than ever for residents to get the services they need. This chart shows some data from the fiscal year 2025 and the first half of fiscal year 2026. These numbers show that 311 continues to be a very important, highly utilized service in our city. This diagram maps the flow of how requests come in from multiple sources. 311 is presented as a one-stop shop, but it's actually a strategic clearinghouse that has to integrate with all departments. Whether it's a call, text, or email, 311 sends the information to the right place for follow-up. If you lift the hood on that diagram, you'll see the tech that underpins all of those departments. In the past 23 years since we started 311, we've had an explosion of technical advancement. These platforms help us do our jobs better, but it also creates a challenge to have seamless integration. 311 has to have the ability to talk to all of these platforms, which is why we recently moved to the new GoGov tool. It allows us to more fluidly and comprehensively utilize all of these technologies. From April 15, 2025 to January 22, 2026, we handled over 83,000 total service requests. This map illustrates the volume of requests across different city districts. Every district is using 311 about the same amount. When we analyze the data by topics, we see that brush removal is a common request. We have recently moved to routes for brush and bulk trash pickup. This is a way for us to provide consistency and predictability on a service that our residents clearly want. Now brush and bulk pickup will function more like regular trash and recycling collection. We are seeing success with this change, as the number of pickup requests has gone down. We've had some challenges since we launched the new system. When we migrated to GoGov, there were some unexpected software glitches. Soon after, Chattanooga experienced flooding. Response to the flood took priority over other requests, which created a backlog. We are still working to improve this system. Our goal is for people to have an Amazon-type experience. Ordered, shipped, delivered. The new platform allows us to provide proactive communication with real-time updates and accurate information with data integration to drive customer satisfaction. We are optimizing service request types based on impact. High-impact types are causing the most issues and require immediate fixing, while mid and low-impact types prioritize differently when it comes to internal processes. More than half of all SRs are already optimized or in progress. This allows us to identify where the problems are and then to ask, is this a technical problem, a process problem, or both? Then we can create a custom action plan to address the issue effectively. Providing better, more detailed information sets realistic expectations for residents. Fit-for-purpose communications deliver clarity at every step of service delivery, as shown in the updated confirmation email example. Managing expectations with better communication looks like status updates for long-term projects, clearer language about what the city can and can't do, and not marking something closed until a satisfactory resolution has been achieved. We are constantly improving this process based on feedback. Changes to 311 have focused on 5 key areas: accurate communication, improved service request types, accessible data, improved response times, and ultimately better customer service and satisfaction. We are improving and simplifying our processes, taking full advantage of the data that is now available, and bringing many systems together to create greater efficiency and cohesion. Before we migrated to the new system, there were a lot of manual processes involved with a 311 request. This graphic shows the process of responding to a missed garbage pickup, from the initial call to the close of the ticket. It required multiple people and actions to complete the request. The new system is simpler, thanks to automation. Systems are talking to each other and providing real-time information, leading to a faster, more efficient response. We are using service level agreements, or SLAs, as key performance indicators. The GoGov integration revealed variability, but we are seeing an improving trend in this data. Our focus for what's next includes completing service request optimization, and maximizing existing features in the new platform. We will continue to improve by focusing on the customer journey. We will work to remove friction for the residents to make using 311 faster and easier. Moving forward, all of the data will be available in a visual dashboard so leaders can see in real time what's going on with 311 requests. This will enable us to identify problems and find new ways to solve them. There's a lot that goes into 311. Success means people, technology, and operations working together harmoniously. When we put the residents first, we can drive improvement to make an impact on the culture of our city.